Hey guys, welcome to my hair care video.
2, 3, funky.
And I'm going to be showing you what I use on my hair every time I have to wash it to take care of it and to get rid of damaged colored hair. So here you go. Okay, so if you can tell, I let my hair down. And I know I had it in a ponytail on my intro, but that's okay. So the first thing I use is the Keratin Shampoo. And it's a reconstructing shampoo. And if you want, here are the ingredients. I don't know. I'll link all my products down below. And yeah. And I then use the Keratin Conditioner, and I leave them on depending on how long it takes me to finish my shower. And this is the reconstructing conditioner. And then I like to use the leave-in conditioner, and this is the leave-in reconstructing treatment that I use. So that's what I like to use when I blow dry my hair to dry it when my hair is wet and I don't want to go out with wet hair. And then I use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine anti-freeze serum with argan oil from Morocco. And I like to use this before and after I blow dry my hair, because then it adds in the oil after the leave-in. And then after, I like to use the Flex Finish Hairspray when I like to curl my hair. I'm back, and I just finished taking a shower, and I wash my hair with the Keratin Shampoo and conditioner. So I use both of these, and now I'm going to dry my hair. And I also kept the conditioner on for 3 minutes to fix my damaged hair. So I'm gonna dry it. So now that I've dried my hair a little bit, I'm going to be using the Keratin leave-in conditioner. So yeah, let's speed the process. After brushing my hair and using the leave-in conditioner, I am going to be using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine oil, and I'm gonna do that right now. I put in the oil and brush my hair, and now I'm going to blow dry it. So see you guys later when I blow dry it. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna do it with the low temperature setting because I'm gonna stay at home, so I don't need to worry about getting sick. So yeah, so I'm gonna see you in a bit. I'm gonna be brushing my hair, and I like my hair to be 70% dry, 30% wet. And I'm gonna be adding some of the Garnier Fructis oil. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.